The Epix series combines a rugged design with a stunning touchscreen AMOLED display and a feature set comparable to its Phoenix counterpart. We saw the Gen 2 hit the market in 2022, followed by an interim edition in 2023. Now, all eyes are on the much-anticipated Epix Gen 3. With the potential release on the horizon, it's a good time to pause before buying your next sports watch. While rumors and leaks about the next-gen device are scarce, recent trends give us some clues about what Garmin has in store for 2024. First, let's talk about the launch. The Garmin Epix Gen 2 came out in January 2022, and the Pro variant followed in May 2023. If Garmin sticks to a similar timeline, we might see the Epix Gen 3 in late 2024 or early 2025. A debut at CES 2025 in Las Vegas could be the perfect stage for its unveiling. Now it's time for some exciting potential features. One of the most anticipated upgrades is wireless charging. This feature, introduced on the Garmin VivaMove trend, offers a more convenient way to power up your watch. While it didn't make it to the mid-cycle Pro models in 2023, the next generation seems like a prime candidate for this tech. Speaking of charging, let's talk battery life. Garmin's AMOLED watches already outshine the competition in this area, but pushing from 5 to 6 days to 8 to 10 days of battery life would be a game changer on smaller models. And as for solar charging, it's a long shot for now, but if anyone can make it happen, it's Garmin. We've been dreaming of a cellular Garmin watch for ages. Maybe the Epix Gen 3 is the right time to bring LTE support. Imagine leaving your phone at home during those Sunday long runs and still being connected for safety. We're all in for this upgrade. If LTE comes to the Epix, it's likely we'll also see a speaker and microphone added. Currently, the Epix Gen 2 lets you see the caller's name or number and decline calls, but there's no voice assistance. An upgrade here would be a huge step forward. The Epix Pro Gen 2 series already offers a lot, so major changes might be limited. However, new performance metrics are always a possibility. Garmin is known for continually improving their tech, so we can expect some fine-tuning and enhancements in this area. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates on the Garmin Epix Gen 3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights and reviews. Catch you next time.